So we've been using LinkedIn Talent Solutions for multiple offerings of theirs. I mean, we've been using RPS licenses for wider outreach to the global talent pool, US, Canada, India. We've been using job boards for publishing confidential as well as otherwise, open postings per se, which could be utilized. This just helps us attract talent pool in a shorter period of time. Also, we work with LinkedIn for their e-learning solutions, which becomes part of the hiring solutions for, uh, you know, training purposes of our recruiters. We've been using Sales Navigator quite a bit for outreach to our prospects. The LinkedIn Talent Insight, I believe, is a great platform again to, just have a talent mapping exercise done. It allows our consultants to have a feel in terms of how the market is moving, which companies are hiring, which companies are not, etc., and so on and so forth. So there's a wide gamut out there, and I think for a search company, it tries to cater to multiple needs from a talent standpoint, from a client standpoint, for the market understanding standpoint. So LinkedIn, as I was talking about, has been helpful in multiple ways. But I think if I were to outline one or two key objectives, the single most important objective was to tap into the passive talent pool. I think whenever you're doing exec search, your intent is always to have the best talent for your client and the most apt one, right? So that's something which LinkedIn has helped us do tremendously. And considering that VBeyond is a global player with operations in US, Canada, Europe, and India, it always allows us to leverage the platform for the wider outreach. So that is one big part. And second, key objective which got accomplished through LinkedIn, I believe, was this market understanding. It's a tremendous help. The Talent Insight is an awesome offering, and it really helps our consultants in terms of having a good knowledge of how the market is behaving. So LinkedIn Talent Solution has impacted us very positively, and two big impact has been on the executive search side, where particularly today for all our senior leadership hiring, LinkedIn becomes a go-to platform for identification of the talent pool, wider outreach, deeper outreach. Both of those objectives get accomplished, and today I can safely say that close to 80% of our Vantage search portfolio gets accomplished through LinkedIn Talent Solutions. That is one big play. So there is this product feature, the project creation aspect, which is there in the LinkedIn RPS licenses, which basically allows our globally distributed team of recruiters to work in a very collaborative manner. So right from identification of the talent we will be going after in terms of our headhunting approach. That is one thing we are able to do a much better job out of that. And then this team, which could be spread out between US, Europe, India, they work in a manner where the outreach to these talent pool happens in a very in a concerted and a strategized manner, as in sense like it's an experience which the talent end of the day feels very comfortable with, and they are happy with that. So it's not that very disjointed approach of one company reaching out to the talent through multiple individuals and things like that. So it's a feature which allows you to capture your notes better. The team works collaboratively. The candidate at the end of the day gets to hear one unified voice coming out of the search firm. And on the whole, I think it's a great platform for improving upon the efficiency as well as a greater talent delight, if you will.